the joys of boat ownership, heading into the engine compartment. I'd say it's a room, but it's more of a compartment, to winterize the generator. Off I go into the bowels of the boat.
All right, have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Getting ready for lift out for the winter. Should be in the swing shortly. End of the season, last day. We're getting hauled out today. The travel lift over to the right. We'll be lifting the boat out of the water, put onto a hydraulic trailer, move to her spot, set down on jack stands, and I will finish winterizing her, put her to bed for the winter. Goodbye, Bella Senior. I missed you.
Thanks, honey.
Pellegrini is getting the power wash after being lifted. The bottom was in very clean condition after 3 months. Soon they will take her out of the travel lift and onto the hydraulic trailer and take her to her position for the winter. She's on the move, getting positioned to go onto the hydraulic trailer. It looks like they're going to block her right from the travel lift and not use the hydraulic trailer. Headed for her winter berth. Never park your rent-a-car when they're setting a boat on top of you.
Got a prime spot. A car right next to it. Bathrooms. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna head up the ladder. Feels so weird to be up in the air like this. It's just really freaky.
Pellegrini is put away for the winter with all her other friends here at Leros Shipyard Evros. That is a whole lot of boats here for the winter.